Before you begin, remove the access panel and system fan. Removal. Loosen the 4 Torx T15 spring-loaded captive screws that secure each corner of the heatsink to the screw pillars on the motherboard. Note, because the screws are spring-loaded, there is no specific order of removal. Lift the heatsink off of the CPU and up and out of the chassis to remove it. Note, if you are reusing the heatsink, remove the thermal grease with an alcohol swab. Caution: this desktop also supports a liquid cooling heatsink solution. If installed, please refer to the removal instructions provided by the manufacturer of this heatsink solution. Replacement. Note: replace the thermal grease before replacing the heatsink. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Place the heatsink over the CPU and align the 4 captive screws to the corresponding screw pillars on the motherboard. Tighten the 4 Torx T15 spring-loaded captive screws that secure each corner of the heatsink to the motherboard.